What's up, everybody? In this SEO for 2021 video, I have a quick 5-minute tip for creating backlinks or social media links to power up your website. Now, this 5-minute tip is going to show you how to create a link stack or a social media post stack or tiers that are going to be essentially a chain of links that are going to give each link more power and thus give your website more authority both in the eyes of Google and human visitors. So let's jump right into it. I'll pull up a tab here, and this is the website I want to be creating a backlink for. So this is my Baltimore City SEO website, and this is the free tools page. And you want to create backlinks to all the different pages on your site in relevant places. So in this case, I'm going to be promoting the free tools page, and this is just a page where you can get access to some free tools to help you with your SEO. We have an authority backlink checker, a keyword research tool, and a free website builder. But anyways, as for the process of creating your link, the first place I like to start is YouTube. And I'm going to paste this link right here in the description of this YouTube video. So then I've already hit save, but you're going to want to hit save once you've pasted your link in there. And then if you just right click on the video here, you can copy the link address to this video. Now what we're doing is creating a backlink to this video we've already created a backlink from the video to my website. So now what I want to do is create a link to this video I just made. So one place I like to do that is this website called Steemit. And the reason I like to do it on Steemit is because it has a really high domain authority. I think it's up in the 90s, 98 or something like that. You can double check, but anyways, it's a great place for a couple reasons. One, it has a high domain authority, and two, when you're creating these blog posts on Steemit, you can add H1 and H2 titles, which is going to give Google more information about your post. So then what I like to do is create these posts here, and I'll put a video, in which case I'll link my YouTube video. It's actually a different post here, but just for example, you would create a post here on Steemit with your video in it, and then I'll throw a couple other links to previous posts I've made in the past, which case these are blogs in this example, but you can put a few more links, you could put an image, and you could put some hashtags down here, much like you can on any other social media or blog or forum or whatever. So now you've created a backlink on Steemit to your YouTube video. Now you're going to want to grab this Steemit link that you just created, and once again you're going to create a backlink to the backlink you just created. So I'll come over here to Reddit and just actually, if I go back here, I'll just click this link and create a link post on Reddit. So I'll just paste that in there, and look at that, it pulls up the title automatically. So like I said, this is not for my Baltimore City SEO. This is for my internet marketing business. Same business, but a different website that I'm creating a link here. But you guys will get the example. You'll go through and do this for whatever website you're making a backlink for. So here we go. I just need to select a community, and I actually have a community here just for this that I use, Website Ranker. If any of you guys are on Reddit and you want to join my group and you want to start using Reddit to create powerful links to your social media accounts, post in my group Website Ranker. That's what it's for. So I'll go ahead and click post there, and then once this is posted, you guessed it, once again, I'm just going to grab the link for this post out of the URL bar, and then I'll come to another website. I like to use Pinterest. Pinterest is great for images, but we'll just go ahead and post on Pinterest, create a board, and I don't want to upload anything. Oh, here we go. You could put a link right here in Pinterest. I usually do this on my phone. That's why I didn't come up right away. I guess it will make... Oh, no, here you go. And click this button, Save from Site. And this will import your images here. In this case, this wasn't a great example, so let me go back and show you. You could do these in any order. It doesn't really matter. But let's say, for example, if we just grab this raw link from the initial one and put this in here, there you go. It'll import your images, so then you can just click the images you want to include, add 5 pins, and then give it a title. So in this case, I'll title it Free SEO Tools, and you can put a description here. You get 500 characters. I would use a lot of them, but I just want to keep this simple. I said this was a 5-minute trick, so just want to keep it simple. Free SEO tools 2021. Why not save? There you go. Now you have created a link on Pinterest to your content. So I guess it wants me to title each one of these images individually. SEO tool, SEO tool. So you'll go through and do that, and then what you could do is click this button that says see it, grab the link, and once again you'll come to a new website. In this case I'll use Twitter, and just click the tweet button, paste it in there, and you can use relevant hashtags. So we'll say SEO 2021, free SEO tool, tweet. And you can spend a little more time than I am here on your post. You can add an image or whatever you want to do, but I just want to keep this quick and show you guys this example. So there you go. Click view your tweet, and you can copy the link to this tweet, and then you can come over here to Facebook, and I like to do this in Facebook groups here. Promote your online business. These type of groups are just if you're in a group where you contribute and you get value and all that, don't spam those kind of groups with this. But there's tons of these like yard sale groups and promote any business groups that nobody cares what you post in there. So I'll come into one of these groups where nobody really cares and post this link, and this isn't necessarily so that people see it and click on it. I mean, it's cool if they do, but this is more for the crawl bots. When Google's crawl bots go and they look at different websites and pages and they see links from all over the place, they categorize those links and index them. So by having all of these links meshed together, by instead of creating all of these separate links pointing straight at your main website, the fact that you've woven them together in this way is going to show Google that, hey, this website is getting engagement. People are coming to it, they're sharing it, people are sharing it with their friends, they're accessing it all different ways. It just makes it look a lot more natural. So I hope this helped, and you could just keep this chain going as far down the line as you want. And like I said, this is not only going to help Google think that your backlink profile is more organic, but when people find your content, they're not going to see your post and go straight to your website right away. Now, that might be what you want in a lot of cases. Another thing that's good is if they see a post and then they click it and they see another profile has shared this post, and then another profile has shared that post, it just builds credibility and makes what you're doing look that much more legitimate. So this is a fast way you can do it in about 5 minutes and create 5 or 10 different links in that amount of time. So I hope this helps, and I hope to see your website on the first page of Google soon. And one more thing, if you haven't already, if you like this tip and you want to see more, click the red subscribe button down below. I shouldn't have to tell you that, but statistics show that if you say it in the video, people are more likely to do it. So that's what I'm doing here. And if you like the video, you already know what it is. Smash the thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.